Hey everyone, welcome to Tax and Accounting Tips, short videos designed to get you a bigger tax refund, protect you from loss, or just give you peace of mind that if the IRS comes knocking at your door, you've done things right. Do you have kids? Well, if you do, listen up. Or even if you're a grandparent, listen up, because I'm going to get you up to speed on something that you can tell your son or daughter about, something that might really help them out. It has to do with changes in the child tax credit. Now, you may be thinking, I already know about the child tax credit. It was $2,000 last year for each one of my kids under 18 years old. That's right, but be aware there has been some changes in this credit, which has increased it from $2,000 to $3,000 for children between the ages of 6 and 17. And if the child is less than 6 years old, the credit is $3,600 per child. Now, traditionally, when you get any kind of credit from the government, you actually receive it when you prepare and submit your tax return. So, using this logic, you would get credit for the money sometime in 2022 when you file your 2021 tax return. But there's a big change aside from the numbers, the larger numbers. This time there's going to be a push to get the money out to you between July 15th and December 31st of this year, 2021, before the end of the year, without you even asking for it. By the way, there are phase outs on this credit, so not everyone gets it. The phase outs start at $75,000 for single, $150,000 for married, and $112,500 for head of household. It's all based on your 2019 or 2020 income, whichever return you filed last. So, how much are you going to get for this advance? They're going to give you exactly 1/2 of the total credit. And because we know exactly how much the credit is, $3,000 or $3,600, we can nail down exactly how much of the deposit is going to be to your account each month. So, for the next 6 months, do the math. Half of $3,000 is $1,500 divided by 6 months, $250 per kid between 6 and 17, and doing the same math, $300 per kid for under age 6. Now, some of you out there owe tax every year, and when we prepare your tax return, and therefore you may not want to take this credit in advance, just because you're probably going to have to pay it back with penalties during tax preparation. So, if you're in this situation, you can actually you need to take action to opt out of the advance payments, or else they're going to send them to you, whether you like it or not. So to opt out, go to the IRS website, irs.gov, Child Care Tax Credit 2021, and you can take care of it there. Okay, here's some closing thoughts. Number one, if you're going to get this money in advance, please be prepared to tell us how much it's going to be when we prepare your tax return for 2021. Keep track of it. Knowing the IRS, there'll probably be no easy way for us to look it up for you. Number two, if you normally owe tax, at tax time, be proactive and take the action to opt out on the IRS website that I just gave you. And number three, with this credit, it's not going to be like the stimulus checks you got last year. If you start getting these advances, and you shouldn't be getting them based on the phase outs associated with them on your 2021 return, the government is not going to say, just keep it this time. You're going to owe it back, and maybe with penalties if you owe a lot. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, give us a call. Have a great day, and give us a Google review if you like what we do here. Take care.